freaking kitties. Look at them. He's misbehaving. Tuffy! Get out of there, Tuffy. Tuffy. Psst. Oh my god, he's gonna throw the can. Oh, we've got the kitty patooties over here. We have Tuffy in the corner with his little blanket. We have Squeak, currently not misbehaving on our bed. We have Danielle, doing her goddamn nails, because that's what she just does, whatever she wants to do. Pregnant Danielle. And Mila with the babies. She's pregnant with like 4 or 5 babies at least. She found her little sweet spot on a chair, and she's nice and cute and cut. See? Yeah. There you go. Boop. Oh yeah. And so we got baby Kittens before we have baby Lily. What a pleasant and wonderful gift. Her eyes are watering too, eh?
Yeah, I just cleaned them.
Well, one pregnancy's out of the way. How to make it so your cats don't get out. Look at that. Oh. Remove. Barricade there. I think we're good.
Are you looking for Dad? Ow. Where's my boob? Oh. Every time he does it, babe. I'll reply to the other messages soon, but I'm making this turkey bacon, and it looks like just normal turkey bacon slices, but thicker, right? Nope. Let me just show you now. I'm gonna open the oven, right? Look at that, they're so thick.
Can I tell her when she's asleep? Or under the hairdryer? Or general anesthesia?
Frankie, get in here!
Oh God, she hurts. You think she hurts? Be cool.
So cute,
Right
babe.
behind you, kid.
Poor Lily just had, bless you, the most spit up I've ever seen her have in her life, and it was all over up her face. Forrest is still chilling by her. You know, the cat's laying in here. Oh, nice fart. Got on its head and everything. Just chunks on the bed. She's okay, but holy man.
Look so cute. Look at so cute. Yeah. Look at so cute, babe. This little guy. Pearl and whitetail and forest. Love you. Aw. This guy's a little pest. Oh wow. Oh, Mama Bear's wrestling with the kittens. The hell? I know, look at him. Yep, going ham on it. Arrgh. Like some psychotic velociraptor. That's funny. You need a hand, sweetheart? So adorable and cute, right? He's like, how do I get up here? Oh, Squeak is sleeping there. Maybe he wants to say hi to Papa. Hey, look at this guy. Head full of daddy shoes. Oh, Pearl. Oh my god. God damn it, cats. Getting in my fucking electronics here.
Yeah, the wire just be here.
Shit, man.
Oh, I see that.
And he's doing the tuffy cuddle. Ding, ding, ding. You want Mama's tail? Oh. I'm here to help you up. Come to me, my little child.
All I think of is Lion King.
Oh. Mufasa. She's like, I'm getting down. Fucking see what they're up to right now.
They must want their mama if they're reaching out there like that.
I think so. What is it, Neela? What? You keep walking around me. What? I gave you food. I already gave you food. I gave you snacks. I gave you even some chicken. Some pizza. There he is. He, she. Who knows? Oh, look at the kitties. They commandeered the stroller. And the other one is somewhere in there. What is it, silly? I love you, Neela. And he finally found a way up there. Hey, Neela. Look at your smiley face pillow. That is
Yeah?
so cute.
I saw
My girls and their little kittens. Angry eyebrows staring at the phone. Love you. Hi, sweeties. You guys waking up? You're so cute. Yeah, we love you so much. Good girl, little Mila. Sleeping on your scratching pad. Look, all the ladies, the mother and her daughters. Well, supposed daughters, you don't even know. And then the brothers. The boys over here. They got the fish. And they got the chicken dinner.
Mm-hmm.
The chicken dinner. Nom, 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 nom. I know. And all three of them, I've never seen all three of them eat at the same time.
I had once, but
Oh.
you have to gather them.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's how they learn, right? They teach them.
Oh, she just knows on her own. As soon as she hears the sound, she...
Yeah. Yeah, I could tell. And she was waiting there by the stove, too. Yep, this is Paw. Oh, Squeak looks demonic there for a second. Oh, I see the head's... Her head's tilted now. So cute. I was gonna say skeet. Because I was trying to say squeak and cute at the same time. Is everything okay? Why did you do that with your hands? You know, I'm not gonna lie, I did that with the dry poop and the kitty litter.
Don't tell me that.
I did that yesterday. So I was picking it up and my hands were full. Like I had the bag in one hand, you know, you do that like little scoop thing. You scoop it up. And then in my other hand, I was like, well, shit, there's still some here. I grabbed a paper towel to grab the other one. So I got both hands full. And I know that if I go for another grab, it's going to be the freaking crap.
So gross.
So I grabbed those 2 pebbles of like dry crap, put them in there, and then I washed my hands like twice for like 2 minutes each.
Is
Swear
that
to
when
God.
I was peeing on the toilet? And you're like, I need to wash my hands?
That was because I had pee all over me. Yep, a lot of pee in this house. The cats, the baby, Danielle. Just kidding.
What? No, I just bleed.
You just bleed?
Are you still taping?
Yeah. I won't tape.
It's a gross story.
Oh, I won't tape that. Hee hee. What the frick? That's a gross story, she says. What are you whining for? They go crazy when they wake up. You got food. You want more food? You got food. It'll be okay. Love you guys.
Better. He's on his way down. I'm on my way up.
Those
Says
kitties.
who? My father. I knew it. That
Perfect.
fucking guy. He lives to fuck my shit up. He's such a fucking asshole.
I saw you smile, sweetie. And now I see the milk spill. What's that?
Is it high in that voice again?
I saw you smile, sweetie.
And we were like, oh.
Hey. Hey. Aw. He's so sweet. It's Iggy the Iguana. Iggy's here to tell you Mom and Dad love you so much. Iggy the Iguana. Puppy. Get down, you silly. You're a cutie. Wonder Woman on you. Pondering the world with a paw on her sister. We're assuming because can't see. Pretty sure they're all girls. Paintbrush was probably a boy, but that's just me being aspirational. Look at that. Oh, look at the boo cuddling. Doo. Look at those cuties. There we go. cuties. Adorable little creatures. Tuffy, what are you doing? Why are you smelling Mama's phone? You licking the phone? It's fine. Forest and White Bell, are you there? There's soft food. Dear Mama. And Pearl just playing with the pink ball and the broom. Yes, Squeak. Squeak wants water from the tap in the bathroom. And well, Tuffy's downstairs because he's waiting to go outside with me. I'll get it to you soon. Cute. They also like the leftover eggs with a little bit of the cheddar cheese in it. They like that too. So some of the only human food they've really enjoyed. Hello, sweetie. I love you, sweetie. Lily bear. It's Iggy the iguana. Iggy says you're a beautiful girl. Mommy and Daddy love you so much. Cute kitties and Tuffy just sleeping right there. Lily bear. Looking at what now?
I stepped on, I think, white belt. Our forest. See? And I was off balance, so I couldn't get up right away.
That's okay.
Well, that's a stressful goodbye. Which one was it?
He ran under the
Couch. Let's double check.
It's okay, yeah, Squeak came.
You squeaks it. Everything okay?
The horse is under the couch.
There's one. I assure you they're not mad. You just gotta make sure that they're seeing the first. It's Karen. Come here, Mama. Say goodbye. There.
Get your tears on camera. All the kitties were cuddling up there. All of them that were left, the 2 kitties and the 3 kittens. And here, they're all cute by the window. That's where they see all their father and parental figures are, where they go up there. So cute. They're leaving today. My mom's coming to get them. So hopefully Neela will be okay. She was with Pearl leaving yesterday, so... And yeah, she's got Tuffy and Squeak here, so it's all good. What are you doing? Nice. Thank you guys. Have fun. I hope you guys are. I hope it makes you happy.
Keep us posted. Of course, all pictures. This is my mental ability today. I'm wearing sneakers. I'm like, okay, this is my mental ability to say makeup and hair for 2 days. Moon. Hat for covering greasy hair.
Bye, sweetie. Love you, sweetie.
Oh yeah, I need to cut. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. I forgot. Enjoy your new mama.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. See you. Have a great day. Oh, she's gonna run.
Love you. It'll be okay. It's okay, Sam. Bye.
Cry because of the, yeah. She's like, what?
She feels bad, but at the same time feeling excited because she knows she's separating that they love
I
each other.
know.
Look how beautiful it is, Lou. I know. So I do. Thought my tire was there. It's our neighborhood. Yep.
Oh, do you get them to kiss goodbye?
Oh,
Or anything? Come here, sweetie. Look. Come here, Neela. Come on. Say goodbye. Oh, they're hugging and cuddling. She's like, and just Tuffy's head peeking in. Yeah. It's not like wood. And before they go, they love each other.
Finally, he did get the camera to work, but then and my ex-wife had the negative, and then so I had that one picture. Somebody came along and said, "Oh, can I borrow that?" Like a borrower, and I lent it to him. He never saw it again, and never ever will I ever lend anything out again. Since then.
That and the pressure washer, right? Didn't you never see your pressure washer again?
Yeah. But Kevin had to get up for the guy who did that.
Oh, you did get it back.
And this was a King's album that was a clear blue. It was a rare album.
Oh yeah.
And I loaned it out. Oh, can I borrow that? Why would you want to borrow it? Go buy your own. You know, like,
Well, and those albums are still worth a lot.
I'm too loud.
Oh no.
The value of those records.
She's the sweetest.
She can keep her head up for a
Yeah,
long
I know you. Yeah, I saw it.
You're okay, honey. That's right. I keep trying to see it. I put my fingers through.
So I forgot the name.
Huh?
What
Gypsy and Lola.
Gypsy.
Yeah. They're really sweet names. So you're feeling better, hey?
Yeah, a lot better.
Cora!
It's still not coming.
Cora! What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh, Cora.
Suddenly she wants outside.
Yeah. She's like, no, another little kitten to scare me.
Yeah, probably. Cora! Come, Cora! Cora, come on! Come on, sweetie.
Yeah, they're gonna be a little scared, but
They're back together.
I would just let them migrate out.
Yeah, that's true.
So I brought, there's like 2 little ball toys that they play with. That
You're all you goofball.
In here.
Hi,
They
Lily.
might go and sleep back.
Hi, Lily baby. Hi, peekaboo girl. Hi, Lily. Yeah, you're just awake now. Oh, Cora. Cora. What? What's the matter? Come here, sweetie. Come here. You're good. You're good. You're okay. You're okay.
How are you, Dad?
You're okay, sweetie. Come on. Sit down. Oh, get down. Oh. Is that forest or what? Oh.
So that one would be.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Come on. Yeah. Come on. You can come out.
And the show going.
Look how loud she is being. But she's not loud now when I pull up camera.
Can I get loud?
Loves her mama. And it's just, she puts Thumbsuck into a whole new level. It's just her whole hand.
It's not even her thumb. It's tucked in like this.
So cute. We love you, Lily Bear. Cute. Yes, talking. Thank you. Yes. So cute. She's like sunlight. Oh. Whoa, what is that? That's okay.
But it's still going to be filling with the lentils and yummy. And that means we can have it with bread for our starch.
The lentils, the genitals.
Oh.
Oh, damn, you're beautiful. My sweetie. Look at that angle there from Papa. Dada couldn't love anything more else in this world than his little daughter in his arms like that. Yeah. North side. Bra on a power outlet, baby. The fuck? Not surprised. Never surprised anymore. Weird seeing Eastwood so damn dark, eh?
I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted. You'll move out of the shelter. My big house right here in the suburbs.
Oh, really? Tell me more stories. Is that so? Tell me so much. Tell me. How was your sleep? Oh, wow. Tell me more. Did you like the Looney Tunes last night that your dad put on? More. More. Taking a video.
Taking a video. Why? Why you run? Why you run? There's no scary here. No scary here.
You watching the Looney Tunes, Lily? You watching the Looney Tunes?
Well, Mr. Buzzard, I've got news for you. You're never going to get me. Never, never, never!
Tuffy comes all the way outside just to sit here and have a connection, staring with Mila through the window. It's as if he wants her to join him. He understands her pain right now.